Osteoporosis is a degenerative disorder of the skeletal system. It is a syndrome which occurs most frequently in women over 45 years of age. In osteoporosis, there is a general thinning of bone density with weakening and loss of bone. There are no chemical changes in the bone, simply less bone. More prevalent in women, it is estimated that at least 25% of all women will be affected. Osteoporosis occurs when new bone formation remains constant, while the degree of bone breakdown increases. Bone mass becomes thinner and porous. Contributing factors include a sedentary lifestyle, immobilization, inadequate calcium intake, alcohol, nicotine, and caffeine abuse, and premature menopause.
Treatment often depends upon slowing the aging process or the loss of mineral content from the bones. Unfortunately, often the diagnosis is made at the time of fracture of a critical long bone, and diagnosis at this time is difficult to treat or to slow the progress of the disease.